Google just dropped two new AI tools, and almost nobody is talking about the real story here. Everyone's talking about the tools by themselves, but the real win is what happens when you actually use them together. And once you see it, you're not going to look at content creation the same way. Again, I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So what did Google actually release here? Two things. The first one is called Nano Banana 2 Lite, and it's a super fast image tool. It makes images in under 4 seconds. It's cheap to use, it follows your instructions well, it keeps the same character consistent across images, and it can edit images too, not just generate them from scratch. You can use it inside the Gemini app, inside Google's AI Studio, and it's rolling out across Notebook LM, Flow, Search, and Photos. The second one is called Gemini Omni Flash, and this one's a video tool. It turns images into videos, it turns text into videos, and you can literally talk to it and ask it to edit your video by just describing what you want changed. It's built for creators and businesses, and right now it's in public preview, which means Google is still actively improving it. Here's the part that Google itself pointed out, and I think it's the most important line in the whole announcement. They said, "The real magic happens when you build using these models together." That's a direct quote from Google, and it tells you exactly how they want people using this. Not as two separate tools you pick between, but as one connected workflow. Think about it like this. Nano Banana is basically your designer, and OmniFlash is your video editor. Put them together, and you've essentially got a content team that never sleeps, never takes a day off, and works in seconds instead of hours. Let's actually talk about how content used to get made, because this is where you really see the difference. You'd need an image tool, then you'd download that image, then you'd open a completely separate video tool, then you'd edit everything inside that, then you'd export the final file. That's 4 or 5 steps across different tools that don't even talk to each other. Now, it's just this. You have an idea, you run it through Nano Banana, you run that through OmniFlash, and you've got a finished video. That's it. One flow, no downloading files back and forth, no switching between 5 different apps, no sitting around waiting on renders. Now let's talk about the good stuff first, because there's a lot of it. This thing is fast, 4 seconds for an image, is honestly wild when you think about how long that used to take. It's low cost too, which means you can actually use it a lot without worrying about burning through some expensive budget. It's conversational, so you just talk to it like you're talking to an actual person, and it edits your video accordingly. It works with text, images, and video all together in the same flow. And it's showing up across pretty much all of Google's tools right now, not just tucked away in one single app. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. But let's also talk about what's not perfect yet, because I want to be straight with you here. OmniFlash is still in public preview. That means Google is still testing it and improving it, and some features might change on you without much warning. So if you're planning on using this for something important, test it first before you rely on it for a big launch or a big deadline. Also worth knowing, Google adds something called SynthID to AI-generated content, which is basically a watermark that shows the content was actually made with AI. It's there for transparency, so people looking at it know what they're actually looking at. And keep in mind that being in public preview usually means Google is watching how people actually use it before deciding what stays, what gets removed, and what gets built out further. So don't be surprised if the tool looks a little different in a month or two from how it looks today. I'm not going to sit here and tell you this is some perfect, finished product, because it's not. It's new and it's still in preview, but the direction here is really clear. Google is building tools that work together, not tools that work alone. And that's actually a pretty big shift from how most AI tools have operated up until now. Most of the AI space right now is still full of single purpose tools. One thing does images, another thing does video, another thing does text, and you're stuck stitching them together yourself. Google, combining an image model and a video model into one connected workflow, with the company itself telling you to use them together, is a different approach than what most other labs are doing right now. And here's why this actually matters beyond just being a cool feature. Speed changes what's actually possible for one person working alone. If you can go from an idea to a finished image in 4 seconds, and from that image to a finished video in one more step, you can produce in an afternoon what used to take an entire team working across multiple days. That's not a small difference. That's the kind of shift that changes what one person can realistically build and publish on their own. This is also part of a bigger pattern you're going to keep seeing from every major AI lab this year. It's not just about who has the single best model anymore, it's about who can connect their models together into workflows that actually save people real time. Google clearly sees that, and pairing a near instant image model with a conversational video editor is exactly them betting on that idea. And it's a smart bet too, because most people don't actually want to become an expert in 5 different tools just to make one piece of content. They want the whole thing to feel like one simple flow from start to finish. So if you're someone who creates any kind of content, whether that's for social media, for a business, or just for yourself, this combination is worth actually testing this week while it's still fresh. Go generate an image with Nano Banana, feed it into OmniFlash, and just see what comes out the other end. The people who start figuring out these workflows early are always the ones with the real head start once everyone else catches on a few months from now. And honestly, that's the part worth sitting with for a second. Every single time Google or any other lab ships something like this, there's a small window where almost nobody has actually tried it yet, and that window closes fast. Once a feature like this hits every phone and every feed, the advantage disappears because now everyone has access to the same tool. Right now, today, that window is still wide open, and the only real cost to testing it out is a few minutes of your time. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.